Good morning, children. Next concept, exercise 8.6. Am I right? 8.6. First 5 problems are over. First previous all the 5 problems are what is asking now? Only one part asking. dw by dt asking, or dv by dt asking, or du by dt is asking. But in the remaining question, 6th question, 7th question, 8th question, 9th question, one exam problem, 2 parts are asking. Dou w by s, dou w by t, dou t asking. Not d w by dt asking. Here, both the parts are dou w asking. That means what? Previously, w equal to in terms of x comma y. Suppose this is called w of x comma y is given. Next is what? X in terms t only given. Y in terms t only given. That's why a w in terms xy. That's why you find partially with respect to x, partially differentiated with y. But x in terms of t only, dx by dt only you want to find out. So what is square means? dy by dt only you want to find out. Write the formula, previous idea. But in the next question, w in terms of xy, here also x in terms of t plus s, x in terms of t and s. That means you will find two variables now. Dou x by dou t, dou x by dou s you will find. Here also, suppose here you will find dou y by dou t, dou y by dou t. Am I right? The dou y by dou s you will also find out. Here all are partial differentiation. What is the difference between the previous 5 problem and next 5 problem? W in terms of xy or xyz are same. But x in terms of only one variable between, you must find only dx by dt, dy by dt. But here x also you want two variable. X also you want two variable. That is what? That x with respect to t variable means dou x by dou t. That x with respect to s means dou x by dou s. In this way you will find all partial differentiation. Afterwards, write the formula. The formula is easy for you. What is the method? Dou w by s asking me, you will put dou w by s here. Dou w by s. In between, you want to introduce x. Here also dou w by s, y. You want to introduce dou y. That's all. Similarly here, dou t asking me, dou w dou t. In between, you will introduce dou x by x. Dou w dou t again, dou y by y. In this way, you want to introduce some other variable. What is given? W given in terms of xy. You will find dou x by dou w by x, dou w dou y. X in terms t and s. You will find dou x by dou t, dou x by dou s. Y in terms t and s. Again, dou y by dou t, dou y by dou s. After write the formula, substitute one by one. This problem also, you put the table. The insert table, you will find all those things. Now write the formula and substitute the value, you get the answer. It's also easy for you. Just like the previous question, mind it. You must write this only. This is not necessary. This is not the play. You must write this introduction by using this idea. 4 problems are there. Exercise 8.6. The remaining 4 problems are this idea only. That means this idea means what? All are finding only partially with respect to x. That depends upon that I already told you. No standard formula. This is not standard formula. The w, xy involving this is the formula. Am I correct? S and t, w of x comma y is this formula. Someday they will involve and change, v in the x, y is involving. Inside S and t, u and v involving. Am I correct? But different bits are involving. Depends upon the question. You must find all those things inside the bracket, inside the box. Then write the formula involving that variable. Then substitute the value, get the answer. Now listen here. Example 8.20, page number 8.83. Now g of x comma y is equal to 2y plus x square, and x is equal to 2r minus x. Y equal to r square plus 2x, where r and s are not so r. Find dou g by dou by x. Here dou asking. Previously, only one part dg by dt, dw by dt, d will be only asking. The 2 parts are asking. Now, what I told you? The first one is g of x, you want that g equal to 2y plus x square. Okay? Next one is x equal to 2r minus 1 s. Y equal to r square plus 2s. In this case, put the value. Alright? I use the scale, put the box clearly. Now what I can do? From g, in terms of x and y, you know, that's why you find dou g by dou x equal to 0 plus 2x, 1 2x. Am I correct? First of all, dou g by dou y, because x and y, you know, the plus x, it plus y. The 2 into 1 plus 0, only 2. Here, x in terms of r and x involving, but dou x by dou r with respect to r, 2 into 1 minus x is constant 0, 2. Okay? Now dou x by dou s is r is constant 0, s becomes 1 minus 1. Okay? Next here, dou y by dou r square becomes 2r, the 2s becomes 0 because this is constant. Dou y by dou x is equal to r square becomes constant 0, 2 into x, 2 into 1, 2. In this way, you will find all those things. These are the possibilities. G in terms of x and y mean dou g by dou x, dou g by dou y. X in terms of r and s, dou x by dou r, dou x by dou x. Y in terms of r and s, dou y by dou r, dou y by dou y. In this way, you will find one by one. Now what is asking? The first subdivision, dou g by dou r is asking. What I told you, write the formula easy value. What I told you now, line into line plus line into line. Alright? For dou g by dou r, here dou g, here cross over. Here also dou g, here cross over. G involving g of x, first you use dou x. Here also dou x. That's all. This is the problem. Similarly, the next one is what is asking? Dou g by dou x also, the same thing. Line into line, line into line plus line into line. Okay? Now dou g dou x also we know here dou g by dou x, dou g dou x. In this way you want to put. After that, g involving x, introduce dou x dou x. Okay? No way. This is the formula. In this way, you want to write the formula, not share the formula. Depends upon the variable. You must write the formula in this way. This is easy value. Now substitute all the here from the bar, all the values are there. Dou g by dou x, 2x. Dou g by dou r, 2. Dou g by dou x, am I right? Sorry, actually, you want to introduce x, next to y. Alright? Here also, first to do x, then y. Now, dou g by y is what? 2. Dou y by dou r is what? 2r. Multiply 4x plus 4r. But, dou g by dou r asking with respect to r, the answer is only r and s is important. That's why replace the x value. X is what? 2r minus s equal plus 4r. Now 8r minus 4s plus 4r. Adding 2r minus 4s. This is the answer. You want to find dou g by d, dou g by d, dou r with respect to r and s actually. That's why the answer involving r and s. That's why replace x value. Next answer is dou g by dou x, same thing, 2x. Dou x by dou x is what? Minus 1. Dou g by dou is what? 2. Then dou y by dou is what? 2. Here minus 2x plus 4. Again minus 2 into x is what? 2r minus s plus 4. Multiply minus 4r plus 2s plus 4. The book can say you want to write the first 2s minus 4r plus 4 is the second subdivision answer. That's all. So in this way you find the answer. From the question, g, x, y given, g involving x and y variable, x involving r and s variable, y also involving r and s. That's why all are partial differentiation. Next, dou g by dou r, dou g by dou x asking. So dou g by dou r means dou g by dou r, dou g by dou r introduce x variable, y variable. Here also dou g by dou x means dou g by dou x, dou g by dou x introduce x variable and y variable. Substitute the value and also the answer with respect to dou r, y, no. So say the answer involving x, s and r and s. That's important. We don't want x, y. Substitute the x value, y value. Am I right? That's all. Now exercise 8.6, sixth question. If the z of x comma y is equal to x into tan of x y, x equal to t square, y equal to s into e power t, s and t becomes r. Find dou y by dou x, dou y by dou t, and evaluate them at s equal to t equal to 1. Now same thing, z of x y means only z equal to what? Equal to what? X into tan of x into tan of xy. Alright? Next is what? X equal to t square, y equal to s into e power t. Alright? Is that here? Is it given now? So dou z by dou x means by using u formula, x is fixed here, tan of something means 1 by something whole square into differences of something, x is 1 into y plus tan of something is fixed here, difference of x is 1. Need not write. So your answer is xy by 1 plus x square y square plus tan inverse of xy. Am I right? The first one is 1. Dou z by dou y means here this is constant. Let's see here. Difference is only what is answer? 1 by 1 plus xy whole square into x into difference of y is 1. Answer is x square plus 1 by xy whole square of x square y square. Am I right? Now listen here, dou is equal to dou x asking, dou is equal to dou t is asking. So both are asking. But dou x by dou t means 2t. Am I right? But dou x by dou s means s not involved. That is what? T is a constant, 0. Here dou x by dou t means s is constant. This here, difference is of e power t plus e power t. That's all. Next dou x by dou y by dou s means e power t is constant, difference of s is 1, that is e power t. Right? Now what is happening? The first subdivision, dou y by dou s is asking. What are you going to do? Line into line plus the side line into line. Am I right? What are you going to do? Dou y by dou s here. Dou z by dou s here. Z in terms of x, y going on. That's why you want to do dou x, dou y, that's all. Am I right? Now substituting dou z by dou x is what is the answer? xy by 1 plus x square y square plus tan inverse of x into y. This is actually dou z by dou x into dou x by dou x what? 0 into 0 plus dou z by what? X square divided by x square y square into dou y by dou s. Dou y by what? E power t. Am I right? Now this is the whole term is 0. Am I right? Plus we want dou z by s, we want the answer involving s and t of x square. X is what? T square. For t square whole square. Here 1 plus t square whole square. Y is what? S into e power t whole square into e power t. Am I right? The simplification is t power 4 by 1 plus t power 4 into e power t 1 plus t power 4 into s square into e power 2t. Am I right? This is the first answer. But what is asking? What is asking? When s equal to t equal to 1 asking. When s equal to t equal to 1, comma, dou z by dou s is asking equal to 1 power n number 1. Am I right? 1 power n 4, e power 1, 1 plus 1 power 4, 1 power square, and e power 2 into 2. What is what? Only e by 1 plus e square is the answer. So, 1 power 4, 1 square, or what actually? So, e by 1 plus e square is the first answer. Over. Here, the value is extra given. The substitute value by s equal to 1. Otherwise, this is the answer. First part over. Now, second part, what is asking? Dou z by dou t is asking. Dou z by dou t is asking. What is the formula? Sin time into sin time plus sin time into sin time. What is asking? Dou z by dou t here. Dou z by dou t here. Next, you want to introduce x and y value. X, y value. Now, dou z by dou x is what? Again, the same value. Am I right? The same thing only. Let the process. Xy by 1 plus x square y square plus tan inverse of xy. Am I right? Into dou x by 20 is what? 2t plus dou z power x square divided by 1 plus x square y square into dou y by 20. Dou y by 20 s into e power is also s into e power. Am I right? Now substitute x is what? X is what? It is square. S into e power t by 1 plus x square and t square of t power 4. Y square s square into e power 2t. Here tan inverse of x is what? T square into s into e power t. Am I right? Into here 2 power t sir. Here t power 4 divided by 1 plus t power 4 into s square into e power 2t into s into e power t. Now substitute all the value for x and y. Now the answer is involving s and t, s and t, s and t. Am I right? Now replace s is 1, t is 1. Am I right? S is 1, t is 1. Now simplify. We get the answer. Here is what I want to answer. When s equal to t equal to 1, comma, dou z by dou t is equal to this is here. T is 1 and 1. 1 into 1 into e only e will come. Am I right? 1 square 1. S is 1. E power 1. Divided by e. 1 plus. Here also 1. 1 e power 2 e square. Am I right? Plus here tan inverse of what is the answer? 1 e power 1 e only. Outside the bracket what is that? It 2 into 1 plus here t power plus 1 divided by here also 1 plus e square into here 1 into e power 1 e. Am I right? Here multiply 2 times e by 1 plus e square 2 times tan inverse of e. Here e by 1 plus e square. Now what is the answer? Combining both 1 plus e square, 1 plus e square. Adding both 3e divided by 1 plus e square plus 2 times tan inverse of e. This is the answer. Somewhat example here, but it is simple calculation. Ideas are simple. When s equal to t equal to 1 is given me, the answer is given only dou z by dou s dou z by dou t. So answer only s and t only. That's why replace x value and y value. We get answer in body S and T. The values are not given, this is the answer. The value is given, substitute. That is the answer. But maybe 5%. Now question number 7. Question number 7. U of x comma y equal to e power x and sin y. X equal to st square, y equal to s square t, where s and t terms are find dou u by dou x, comma dou u by dou t, and evaluate them s equal to t equal to 1. The same concept. Now u of x comma y only you will write u equal to x, u equal to e power x, it is sin y. Next is what? X equal to s into t square, y equal to what? S square into t. I already told you, they want to do some. Put the possibility in this game. Now, u in terms of x-ray, that's why dou u by dou x is equal to sin y is constant. Differences of equal over. But dou u by dou y, you now e by x is constant. Sin y becomes cos y. Correct? Here, x in terms of s and t is there. For dou x is equal to t square is constant, s becomes 1 only t square. Okay? So dou x by dou t, that means what? S is constant, divided by t square is what? 2t. So 2st. Okay? Here also same thing. Dou x by dou s is equal to t is constant, difference of s square is what? 2s into t. Dou x by dou t, that means what? S square is constant, difference of t is what? 1 only s square. In this way, complete the game. Now what is asking? The first submission, dou u by dou s is asking. What I told you? Which implies which is equal to straight line into straight line plus straight line into straight line. Now dou u cross dou s. So dou u dou s. Am I right? Now u in terms of x and y now you want to introduce x dou x dou y. This is a formula. Am I right? Now substitute dou u by dou x is what? E power x into sin y. Am I right? Into dou x by dou s into t square. Am I right? Next one is what? Dou u by dou s e power x into cross y. Dou y by dou s is what? Dou y by, here play u given now, y given now. About y in terms of s is dou y by dou s. Again, dou y by dou t. Am I right? We have 2st. Dou y by dou s what? 2st. Now, here dou u dou s is asking. About our answer is important, s and t is important. About e power s is what? St square. Sin y is what? S square t. The t square no changes. Plus, again e power s is what? St square. Cos y is what? Y is what? S square t. Into 2st. Okay? Into 2st. This is the answer actually. Am I right? But what is given? When s equal to t equal to 1, comma, dou u by dou x is equal to e power s is 1, t also 1, 1 square also 1, 1 into 1. So sin of 1. Am I right? Here t square is 1. Am I right? Here also e power 1. Am I right? Cos of 1 plus 2 into 2 into 1. Therefore, e sin 1 plus 2e into cos 1. Am I right? Sin 1, cos 1. Furthermore, simulation is not possible. That's why this is the answer. Am I right? E only common. Suppose e is common, that's all. E common means sin 1 plus 2 cos 1. This is the answer. Now second sum is what is asking? Dou u by dou t is asking. What is formula? Sin tan into sin tan plus sin tan into sin tan. But dou u by dou t, you want to introduce x variable here, y variable here. Now what is the value? E power x into sin y. The dou x by dou t is 2st plus next is what? E power x cos y. Dou y by dou t is what? X square. Now substitute the value. X is what? X is s into t square. Sin into y is x square t plus 2st into 2st plus x is what? Sc square cos of s square t into s square. Previous idea, when s equal to t equal to 1, comma, dou u by dou t is equal to e power 1 sin 1 2 into 1 2. Am I right? We have 1 plus here e power 1 cos of 1 plus 1 square means 1. Now here also e is common term. Say what is the term? Sin 1 sorry 2 sin 1 plus cos 1. This answer. Previous also e into sin 1 plus 2 cos 1. But here 2 sin 1 plus cos 1. Both are same type of answer. This is the idea. Why more question? A simple concept. What are the variables are given? Depends upon the variable. You must find all those things in the partial differentiation, not ordinary differentiation. With only one variable involving only ordinary differentiation. But here x in terms of s and t is there, y in terms of s and is there, x u in terms of x is there. That's why all are partially differentiate. That's important. Am I right? Now 8th question. Z of xy equal to x cube minus 3x square y square, where x equal to s into e power t, y equal to s into e power minus t, s comma t belongs to R, and find dou z by dou s and dou z by dou t. Now z of xy known, z is equal to x cube minus 3x square y square. Suppose अब x equal to what? S into e power t. Y equal to what? S into e power minus I. These are all given. Am I correct? Z in terms of xy, x in terms of s and t, y in terms of s and t. That's why all are partially differentiate with respect to the corresponding variable. Here xy, there s and t. That's very important. All are partially differentiate. Am I correct? The question is actually x square y cube. Am I right? The question is clearly 3 minus 3x square y cube. Now what's this one? Z in terms of x y equal to that's why dou z by dou x is equal to x cube become 3x square minus 3 into y cube is constant. The x square become 2x. Now multiply 3x square minus 6x y cube. But dou z by dou y means this will be fully x variable. Sorry, x constant. Y is not important. These are constant 0. Minus 3x square is what? Constant. Y cube become 3y square. Constant minus 9 x square y square. Am I right? Here x in terms of s and is there. So dou x by dou x means e power t becomes e power t. S becomes 1 e power t. Dou x by dou t means s is constant. Differentiation of e power t become only e power t. That's all. Dou y by dou s means the same thing. E power minus is constant. S is 1. Then dou y by dou t equal to x is constant. The e power minus c become e power minus c into minus of x will become minus s into e power minus t. That's important. S into. Am I right? Now write the formula. is again? Dou z by dou x is asking. What I told you? Secant into secant plus secant into plus secant. Now dou z by dou x means here dou z dou x. Here also dou z by dou x. What are the remaining x and dou x plus dou y dou. Now substitute already here. The first one is 3x square minus 6xy cube into dou x by dou x 340 plus next one is minus 9x square y square into dou y by dou x e power minus 3. Am I right? Now substitute already 3 into x is what? S into e power t square is what? S square e power 2t minus 6 into s into e power t. Y cube is what? S cube into e power minus 3t into e power minus 9 into x square into e power 2t y square s square into e power minus 2t. Outside bracket here already what is there? E power minus 3 is there. Right? The plus and the minus minus. Then right, substitute x square value, y square value, e power minus 1. Now here, combining both 3s square, you want to multiply 3s square e power 2t minus 6 is x power 4, coming this to e power minus 2t into e power t minus multiply 9s power 4, multiply this to e power 0, mean right, e power minus 1. Am I right? What say you want to multiply? What is this to? So 3 into s square e power 3t minus s 6 power 4 comes to e power minus 3. Here minus 9 s power 4 e power minus 3. Am I right? So 3s square e power 3t comes to minus 15 into s power 4 e power minus 3. 3 common, s square common. What will be answer? 3 power e power 3t minus 5 into s square into e power minus 3. Am I right? Somewhat simplification, but substitute the value and simplify, we get the answer 3 into 3 into s square, correct only, that is the answer. Similarly, second part, what is the right way? Second subdivision, dou z by dou t is asking. What I told you, secant into secant plus secant into secant. So dou by dou z by dou t, here also dou z by dou t. You want to use x variable, here y variable. Now, first one is what? 3x square minus 6x y cube into dou x by dou t s into e power t. Next one is minus 9x square y square into dou y by dou t minus s into e power minus 3. Alright? Now, substitute 3 into x square e power 2t. Here s into e power t, here s power y cube, no, s cube e power minus 3t into s into e power t. Here minus 9 plus, alright, 9 into s square e power 2t. This s square e power minus 2t. Already s is there, minus 3 is there. Alright. Now you want to simplify. Please one more thing. Here out of these two, 3 common. Alright. 3 common. S square also common. What is it? Only e power 2t. Here 2 times out of s power 4, s square common. 6 3 common 2. What is it? E power t e power minus 3t will e power minus 2t. Am I right? Here already 7 there. S into e power t is plus Here combining 9 into s power 4, s power 5. Here this together e power 2t, e power minus 2t will be cancelled. Here e power 0 is 1. So e power minus 0 will come. Okay? Again, what is common to both? What is common to both? Here also multiply 3 into s cube. Am I right? S cube into e power t into e power 2t minus 2 into e power minus 2t. Here 9 into s power 5 into e power minus t. Now again, what is common to both? 3 common. S power 3 is common. Am I right? That is the answer. Three into s is only common. Our answer is this is common and also it is important. 3 s power 3 is only common. Now e power is multiplied here. E power 3t. Here minus 2 into e power minus t. The 3 can take outside. S power 3 is common. Take outside. Only s square into e power minus t. This is the answer. That is the answer. Check yourself. But listen here, Bukans is not coming. Actually here, I am not considering s power 4 actually. That's why wrong answer will come. Listen here. Substitute all the value. Next step, replace x is what? S in e power t. Y is what? S in e power minus t. Substitute all the value. Now, for the simplification, you want to multiply all. Then it is easy for you. The 3 is there. S square and s cube. E power t into e power 2t is what? E power 3t minus 6 s into s square. S power 4 and s is there. S power 5. Next is what? E power t. Here e power 2t. Here e power minus 3t. E power minus t. Okay? Multiply is over. Next step, 9 into s power 4. S square, s power 4. Here also s power 5. E power 2t into e power minus 2t will be cancelled. What is that? E power 2t minus e power 2 multiplying the power will be added. E power 0 1. So only e power minus 1 will come. Am I right? S square, here s power 5. This will be equal now. Am I right? S power 5, e power minus will be equal. Like this. So 3s square into e power 3t. Here separate both. Plus 3 into s power 5 into e power minus 3. After these two terms, 3 common, s square also common. Remainders are e power 3t plus 3 unrelated, you know. S cube into e power minus 3 is the answer. Now check the book answer. The answer is 3 into s cube. Here s cube is common. Okay? 3s no. S cube is common to both. That is the answer. That's all. 3s cube is common to both. The remaining terms are e power 3t plus s square into e power minus t. Here, when t equal to 1, s equal to 1, suppose given mean, replace s and t 1, but here not given. That is the answer. Previous problem, the t values are also given. Difference is very important. After write the formula in this way, easy problem. substitute all the value and replace x value, y value, then simplify. Then if it is possible the adding or subtracting, simplest form is the answer. Find it. The ninth question is the last question from this exercise. Three variables are involved, x, y, z is the question. And also evaluate them at 1 by 2, 1. Substitute the number also, extra work. W equal to, in terms of x variable, y variable, z variable is involved. That's why, dou w by dou x means x is a variable 1 into y. Here, no x value 0, z into x is 1. The answer is y plus z. Dou w by dou y, your y is a variable, x is constant, y becomes 1, z is constant, y becomes 1, here no y variable is 0, x plus z. Dou w by dou y equal to here, no z value 0, y into y is constant, here is 1, here x is constant, here is 1, therefore y plus z is y plus x is the answer. Now x in terms of u and v, for dou x by dou u, 1 minus 0, 1. That because with respect to u is 1, v is constant 0. For dou x by dou v, equal to what? V is a variable, u is constant 0, minus v is 1, minus 1. Here into, because we not find. Only x, w in terms of x, y, z. That's why with respect to x, with respect to y, with respect to z. But here, only with respect to u and v. Here also, dou y by dou u, no, v is constant, difference of x, u is 1, only v. But dou y by dou v means u is constant, difference of v is 1, that is u. Again, dou z by dou u, that is what? 1 plus 0, 1. Dou z by dou v, 0 plus 1. U is the constant 0, v is variable 1. That is 1. This. In this way, complete the table. Now what is asking? First one, what is asking? Dou w by dou u is asking. What I told you? Line into line plus line into line plus line into line. What is this? X variable, y variable, z variable. For dou w by dou x, dou w by dou x. Here also, dou w by dou x. Now you can introduce, sorry, dou w, dou you know, only u. Now you want to introduce u in terms of, sorry, w know, w in terms of x, y, z. That's why first dou x, dou x you want to introduce. Then dou y, dou y. Here dou z into dou y also, that's very important. Now dou w dou x is find out y plus z into dou x by dou x 1 plus dou w by dou y is what? X plus z into dou y by dou u plus v. Last one is what? Y plus x into dou z by dou u plus 1. Am I right? Now multiply y plus z plus x into d, z into d, y plus x. Am I right? Now substitute, we want only answer only u and v. Y is what? Y is uv. Z is what? U plus v plus x is what? U minus v into v. Z is what? U plus v into v plus y is what? uv plus x is what? U minus v. In this way, replace all the x, y, z in terms of u and v. Now, here, simplify first. First is the same thing. First is the same thing only. U plus v multiply uv minus v square. Here, uv plus v square plus uv plus u minus v. Okay? Now, the plus uv minus v cancel. Plus minus v square plus v cancel. Then minus v plus v cancel. What I write down? uv plus uv 2uv plus next u plus u 2u. Am I right? Repeat all the cancel no. Now what is happening? Dou w by dou u at 1 by 2 comma 1 is asking. That means what? 2 into u is 1 by 2, v is 1. 2 into u is 1 by 2. Am I right? Cancel. 1 plus 1, that is 2 is the first answer. The same method, but here the variables are extra will come. Extra something is coming. That is the extra work for you. Actually, you want to say what? The plus is there. Plus u into v plus q in only term. Am I right? This only minus square. After uv, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 u. The remaining of that, the 4 is coming. 2 times no? For 2 plus 1. That is 3 is the answer. Am I right? Now second solution, the same method, dou w by dou v is asking. What I told you? Straight line into straight line, plus straight line into straight line, plus straight line into straight line. What is asking? Dou w by dou v, dou w by dou v, dou w by dou v. Now you can reduce dou x by dou x, dou y by dou y, dou z by dou x. Am I right? Now what is the first answer? Y plus z into dou x by dou v is minus 1. Next, dou w by dou y is x plus z into dou y by dou v plus u. Plus, here dou w by y plus x, the last one is 1. Am I right? Now multiply. Minus y, minus z. Actually, you know x into z, sorry, x into u plus z into u plus x plus y. Here by chance cancel. Minus x z is what? Minus u minus v. Am I right? Z is u plus v, minus u minus v plus x is what? U minus v into u. Z is what? U plus v into u plus x. X is what? 2 plus 1. 2 minus 1. This we cancel. Minus 2 plus we cancel. Now in minus b, multiply u square minus uv plus u square plus uv minus b. This will be cancelled now. So 2u square minus 2v. Am I right? 2u square minus 2v. Now substitute it with that. What is the answer? Therefore, dou w by dou v at 1 by 2 comma 1 equal to 2 into u square minus 2 into 1. Okay, 2 into 1 by 2 minus 2. What are 2 times? Minus 1 by 2 minus 2. 1 by 2 minus 2. Take to as LCM. Am I right? 2 LCM means 1 minus 4 by 3. 1 minus 4 by 2. That is minus 3 by 2. This is the answer. After simplification, substitute the value for u is 1 by 2, v is 1. Length calculation, but the concept is simple. Do yourself. This exercise is easy for you. This is over. Today, that's all.